again, welcome back to my channel. Rebecca here, and mid-March and my large kit is running low. So even though I thought I doubled up, clearly I didn't. So I went ahead and reached under my little desk and I grabbed some kits that I had previously put together that will go with what I still have left to use. So I thought you guys would enjoy seeing how I, once again, how I go ahead and sort all this stuff out, and we'll just kind of cruise right through it. So I have this kit that I put together. I have this kit that I put together. This one I have a swap for a pocket page for Fashionista, and it was done off of, I believe, the Metropolitan collection, so I'm going to use that one, and then a purple one. So just going to do this fun one, and I believe that this bag is either, yeah, it's from a hip kit, so I just repurpose them. That is my parents' dog, if you can hear her, and she is just a delight. So I'm gonna get this little case out, and I'm gonna add, she's barking at the door, there's no one there. I'm not real sure what her deal is. I have this whole little kit that I threw in there. I did try to use up some of these Disney chipboards. This and this, I just threw the whole thing in there because the kit was based around the Good Vibes from Simple Stories and the Oh Happy Day from Simple Stories. So those I won't separate out. But I just kind of go through, and this also helps me get a feel for what is inside the kit when I go to make my beautiful pages. Again, I have some bling, which I will put in my crazy piece. And then this is also the kits that I made from the scrap pieces. So just lots of fun colors and fun scraps. So I will put these over on my scrap pile, which is quickly being buried by everything else on my desk. Ooh. So I just got the news not too long ago that my sons, I live in Illinois, and the governor, because of the corona crisis, has apparently starting on Tuesday, have shut the schools down until Thursday. So he's a senior. It's been a bang-up senior year for him because beginning of the full school year, his school had a flood, and they didn't start for like a month and a half. They were a month and a half late, and now he's got all this. So these are just some very beautiful papers. I got this one from Chamel Glitter Girl. It's snap into it, so there's that. Oh Happy Day. I Love Much. Oh Happy Day, No Promise. Oh Happy Day, Oh Hello. So I basically put the whole Oh Happy Day collection in here. This is Elements, and It's Coffee O'Clock. 3x4 elements and 4x6 elements. So I'm going to add that to my paper stash. And these I'm going to put, I guess, in this cute little container over here so that it all gets used up, because I am quarantining myself into my scrap room this weekend. Whoop, whoop. You guys like that? All right, now this one again, I just reuse the bags until, you know, they cannot be used. So now this has some of the Pink Paisley Paige Evans kit, not the new one. And a lot of the stuff that's already in here is duplicates, so that's great. Or that was already in here because I had a lot of those flowers. They're just gonna, lots of bright, fun colors. This little cute guy's going over there. Some illustrated Faith. Yeah. And I gotta look because I was pretty bummed because there's a scrapbook convention tomorrow at the convention center and I do not know if it is still on or if it's postponed yet. So I guess I'll find out as soon as I get done recording. Oh, goodness. That still had some stick to it, so get rid of the stick. I use my little EK Success powder tool. And all right. So we have, this is from I believe the Chamel paper pack, and it's just one-sided. I'm gonna say Paige Evans. Could be Paige Evans. Looks like a lot of these are going to come from the Paige Evans and the Pink Paisley. This, I have no idea. This is from a Michaels pack, and obviously this is the, you know, coveted paper. So I'm going to add that over there, I think. Apparently that was what my original kit was built off of. It was shoved in the bottom there. And do the pretty purple one. This is the big bag there, huh? This is probably like a gallon bag or something that I got. All right, we're getting pretty full up. That's what I like. Over there. Ooh, this is like a gold one, which is fun because anything in the kit that was gold was free. It was like based on dollar value and just to kind of give you inspiration. And look, I'm out of room. Like, little sucker is all full up. All right, so these are just the photos that I have sitting to be scrapbooked. So a lot of purple, a lot of black, a lot of gold, little random snowflake. Okay. So, and the papers for this are all from a paper base. Like this one's from a paper pad that I got from Michaels. This is gonna be the Chamel. Either Chamel, I think it's Chamel. Again, that beautiful purple paper pad that I beautiful purple paper pad. It's fun to say. So that's fun. All right. I'm gonna have to make like super large kits. All right, and the last one, which is this one, which I don't know. I'm probably not gonna bust that out yet because I'm doing good. I've got more than enough, I think. So we'll just put that back. And So we've kind of added a little more to this, added a lot more to that, added a whole nother one. And all right, so thumbs up if you liked the video. Go ahead and click that subscribe button below, and I will see you next time. Bye.